Hello guys, this is Future Dev. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu in your computer. To use your second OS in your computer, then there are two methods. The first one is dual boot and the second one is using virtually. In the first method, we cannot use both OS at a time. So when compared to second method using virtually, we can use both systems at a time and we can transfer data from one OS to another OS simultaneously. In this video, let's see how to install using VirtualBox. So let's get started. First of all, let's download VirtualBox. Open Chrome, click here, VirtualBox, download. Open the first link, scroll down. Here you can see all the list of OS. From that, select your OS. Just click on that. As I'm already downloaded it, I'm cancelling this now. So next, let's download Ubuntu. Open Chrome, type Ubuntu download and press enter. Go to the first link, ubuntu.com. It's an official site. After that, go to the downloads here. Click on that. Here you can see 2, but 20.04 LTS is the latest version. Click on that. It will display a message, thank you for downloading. The download will automatically start. As I'm already downloaded it, I'm cancelling it for now. So the next step is to open VirtualBox. Click on the new. Enter a name. Let's say Ubuntu 64. And leave as default. Type Linux version 64. It will automatically detect. Then next click on continue. The next step is to recommend some memory. So allocate your memory according to the computer's RAM. Click on continue. Create. Click on continue and then continue. It's time to allocate hard disk space. So allocate your hard disk space according to your space. I'm allocating 84 GB. Click on create. Now the virtual machine has been created. Now let's attach Ubuntu to this virtual machine. To do so, click on settings, click on advanced, make this disabled as bidirectional and drag and drop as bidirectional so that you can transfer data from one OS to another OS simultaneously. Then click on system, click on processor, increase your processor and then click on display, increase the display size, click on storage, click on empty, then click on this CD symbol. It will display the options. Click on choose a disk file. It will open Finder for you. So whenever it was opened, search for the file. Click on this and click on open. Here it will display the name. Click on OK. Now it's completed. Now let's start the virtual machine. For that, click here start. It will automatically start the virtual machine. The Ubuntu has been started. So let's wait for some time. Disk checking has been started. So please wait for some time until it completes its process. Click on install Ubuntu. Then it will display the keyboard layouts. There are so many layouts, but make default. Click on continue. Click on continue. Installation type, select first one, click on install now. Click on continue. Where are you? Select your location, click on that, click on continue. It will ask for the credentials to create. Your name, let's say VM, which means virtual machine. Your computer's name, VM where. Pick a username, choose a password, confirm password. Let me change my username to admin. Choose a password, create your password, click on continue. There is an error because admin keyword is already reserved. So let me rechange this to VM, click on continue. Copying files have been started. So it will copy all the files from the OS to install. It will take some time. Almost finished copying files. It has started retrieving files from the OS. It will take some time. Configuring hardware, installing system, configuring bootloader, running grub install, update grub. Installing the system, downloading the packages. It will automatically download the package from the internet if your system has connected to the internet. Installation has been completed. Click on restart now. It will start restarting the system. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. As we don't have any installation medium, let's press enter. Now we are in the home screen. Click on this, enter the password, click enter. As it was the first boot, it will take some time. Now we are in the desktop. Let's get this for now. Skip, next, next. Click on done. The Ubuntu is completely installed in the VirtualBox. Let's open terminal. To open a terminal, click on the applications. Click here. It will display the applications. Search here for terminal. Click on terminal. Then type ls, enter. That's all for this video. In the next video, let's discuss about architecture and the file system of Linux. If you have any doubts or any queries, leave me in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear out your doubts. That's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.